I'm here today to tell you about the Leopard Images in a Mirror investigation kit. Now you get enough for 6 groups, but I'm going to show you what each individual group gets. Each group will get 3 animals, 2 shadow sticks, 2 mirror stands, a protractor, a mirror, a cloth measuring tape, and then string and tape as necessary. Now, one thing I want to show you is when you get the mirrors, they're going to come with a plastic film on the front, this white plastic film. You want to make sure to pull that off so that the mirror will obviously be usable. The gray on the back, that's the back of the mirror, it doesn't come off. The mirror stands go on like this. They slide onto the mirror. You may or may not want to set these up for your students ahead of time. And then the mirror can be stood and manipulated by the students. Now, there's several different ways that they can use the equipment that comes with the investigation. Sometimes the kids will go ahead and put this protractor here. If they decide to put this down, it might be a good idea to tape it down so that it remains stationary. They have several options. They can take the animals, they can move them around in different places around the mirror. They can then use the string to create those lines of sight, which will then allow them to measure the angles that they can see the animals and the ones they can't. They can use the cloth measuring tape to measure their distances. One thing they might notice is from the front angle, they can see every leopard in the mirror. But as the students change their position, they'll realize that standing over here, they can't see all the leopards. And as they move around, they'll begin to see that relationship between their position and what they can view in the mirror. Another option that they have is they can put a shadow stick in front and then put a shadow stick and try to line it up behind. And notice that the distances between the mirrors will end up being the same. There's several options for the students to use the investigation materials, and the best thing you can do is to let them figure out different ways to work on it.